Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a small hack. I was running into this issue that this auxiliary belt tensioner was making a lot of noise from this bearing. This should not make any noise. This was making all kind of noises. So I investigated a bit and found out that this is quite expensive. So I found out also afterwards, of course, that you can change these bearings. Normally it's just this bearing in this part that is the problem. So you can press this bearing out quite easily. I just used a socket here and pressed it out. You can see the damage on the bearing here. It came out quite easily. I would think you could do it with a hammer and something, but I had a press. So this nut goes on the back side, and of course this bolt and washer goes on the other side. Now, me being in Scandinavia, I could actually get a bearing from Biltema, and you can see the number here. And this is the bearing I got. This costs way less. Actually, I don't know. This costs really about 2,000 Danish kroner, and this costs like 50 kroner. So, yeah. The measurements for these kind of bearings are 17 millimeters times 40 millimeters times 12 millimeters. So 12 being this way, 40 this way, and the 17 the inside diameter here. And this fits right here. So, and if you heat this up a bit, I don't know how much, I haven't done it yet, but to a good degree, and you put this in the freezer, this should almost slide right down. And yeah, that's the way you can save quite a lot of money on this. So yeah.